Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to activate MBNA credit card online. To activate MBNA credit card online is a quite simple process. For this, open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.mbna.co.uk/activate. UK stands for Country Code of United Kingdom, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of MBNA. Now here you can see activate your card section on the left side. You can see activate your credit card button. Click on activate your credit card. After this, you'll be taken to activation page. You need to complete and fill in all the details present on the down. Here you need to first enter your credit card number on the given box. After this, you need to select your date of birth. For that, first select your day, then select your month, and then select your year. Then you need to select your expiry date. You need to first select your month of expiry and then the year in which your credit card gets expired. After this, you need to click on Activate option. Now once your credit card details are verified, then you'll be able to activate your credit card. This is how we can activate MBNA credit card online. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.